You're listening to Natural British English. And now, in 5 minutes or less, the British idiom, a fish out of water. There is a vocabulary checklist for all of our videos below in the description, so don't forget to have a look after watching or listening. Today we're going to explore a very popular British idiom that you might hear in everyday conversations, movies, books, and even at work. The idiom is a fish out of water. What does a fish out of water mean? The idiom a fish out of water is used to describe a person who feels uncomfortable, awkward, or out of place in a new or unfamiliar situation. Imagine a fish that usually lives happily in water. If it suddenly finds itself somewhere else, everything feels different. In the same way, when people are in a situation they are not used to, they may feel unsure or nervous. Here are a few everyday examples. Number 1. On my first day at my new job, I felt like a fish out of water. Number 2. When she moved to a new country, she felt like a fish out of water, but she didn't give up. Number 3. He felt like a fish out of water at the party because he didn't know anyone. As you can hear, this idiom is often used when we talk about new experiences. Now, here's the really important part. Feeling like a fish out of water is not a bad thing. In fact, it often means you are learning, growing, and being brave. Think about learning English. In the beginning, many learners feel uncomfortable speaking, making mistakes, or trying new words. That feeling? Yes. It's a fish out of water. But guess what? Every confident speaker once felt exactly the same way. Let me tell you a short story. Anna moved to the UK to study English. On her first day, everything felt strange. The accent, the food, even the weather. She felt like a fish out of water. But Anna kept going. She listened carefully, asked questions, and practiced every day. Slowly, she started to feel more comfortable. What once felt scary became familiar. Today, Anna speaks English with confidence. Her secret? She didn't run away from the feeling. She learned from it. When you feel like a fish out of water, it means you are trying something new. You are stepping outside your comfort zone, or you are giving yourself a chance to grow. That is something to be proud of. So, next time you feel uncomfortable, don't say, "I can't do this." Instead, say, "This is how growth begins." Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every confident speaker was once unsure. And every fish out of water can learn to swim in new waters. Keep learning, keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to check the vocabulary checklist in the description, and thank you for watching, reading, or listening today. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you soon.